Hello YouTube, 25143J here. We're under a freaking tornado warning. You believe this? We are under a freaking tornado warning. Look at that. You see that sky right there? It's a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. Now there is a chance for a power outage. I'm hoping we don't get a power outage. Yeah, I'm really hoping. Anyway. Here we go. You can see my stomach down here. It's nervous and upset because I have a little thing when the sirens go off. I get nervous and I want to toss my cookies. Unfortunately, it is a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado, but I'm hoping... my mom is saying that the hook echo that she showed me that the hook echo that is... it might go under us. She said she doesn't know. She says it's going to go under us, but I seriously doubt it. So... you never know. This is the second time they sounded the sirens. And, everybody's hanging out. And, you can hear the thunder rolling. Yeah, thunder's rolling. I see lightning, too, so... best thing I get in the house, I'll catch upstairs here. Hold on. And there goes my phone. Yes, people! Oh, now it's a severe thunderstorm warning.
It's a dangerous thunderstorm alert.
Dangerous thunderstorm alert, huh?
That's what I pulled up from what mine said.
How dangerous are we talking?
Lightning strikes, heavy rain, high winds, hail, and tornadic activity.
Tornadic activity?
Yes.
I can hear thunder out west.
Yeah, I know.
Oh boy.
What?
Just calm down.
Find out what we got going here.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fairfield.
I want to take my...
Until 7:15 p.m. At 6:41 p.m. radar indicates severe thunderstorm.
Yeah. Severe thunderstorm warning. Well, wait a minute. I've been looking all over for this controller, and I finally found it. It's on my karaoke machine. Which the thing is freaking useless. I don't even use it. It doesn't take the vocals out like it's supposed to. It only takes it out of karaoke cover versions of songs. It'll do that, but it won't do nothing else. Anyway, I'm gonna... Okay, I gotta get the dog in the closet.
Come on.
Come on, Sadie. Where is she?
She's right there.
Come on! Let's go.
We have to move the chair.
Flood advisory for Southern Union until 7:15.
Hang on a second.